Hello everyone, welcome back. Join me, let's cook quick rice recipe for rainy day. My meat spices: pepper, onion, shallot, pepper flake, powdered onion, tomato, ginger, garlic, pepper, paprika, rice. So I'll just give it a quick stir. So my meat spices are nutmeg and every other things, guys, as usual. So I'll just stir together. Now we're adding my deboned fish, bonga fish and catfish. So I'll give it another quick stir, guys. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you for the comment, the like and the share. My oldies and my new subscribers, may the Lord bless you. So I will steam it now for some time. So here it has been steaming for like 10 minutes. So I will add in my fish stock. That is the head of the catfish. I blended it with hot water. I sieved it and I added it to it because I don't have meat stock. So I tasted for salt. I added salt. I stir and I will cover and allow it to cook for some time. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest. Lady B Varieties is the name. So as you can see, there are still some water inside. So I will be adding in my frozen goat's meat. If you are new to the channel, follow me for more amazing video. On your notification button so that when we upload, you'll be notified. So guys, here it is ready to be enjoyed. Quick rice for rainy day. Enjoy. Bye. See you in my next one.